I'm gonna walk you through this Amapiano sample pack that you can use for your Amapiano beats or Afrobeat. Very simple. So to start with, I'm gonna start with the bonus here. Let's check some of the sounds in this. See that? Alright, check some of the drum fills. Okay, very nice. Crazy. Wow. So guys, you can download it from the link in the description box. Subscribe to the channel. Alright, so let's check some of the hats. They are well tuned, so you can just pick it up and use it in your beats, both Amapiano beats and Afrobeat. So the next thing I'm gonna walk you through is the kicks. Let's walk through it. Okay, very hard. See that? Crazy. These kicks are very punchy. Okay, so you can use it. The next thing I'm gonna walk you through is this other sounds here. This is crazy. Check everything in this. Wow. See that? This. Then comes with chords and melodies. Okay, the BPM is over here. D sharp minor. Alright, you can walk through. When you download it, use it freely. Okay, check some of the box. See that? Alright guys, so you can download it for free. You can capture drum loops. Let's check that. You see that? Some rim shot. Very nice. Okay. That very simple, guys. I can't walk you through all of them. Download it and use it. So the next thing I'm gonna show you is this percussion loops. Let's listen. Wow, you see that? Oh, I really like it. Crazy. Oh. Okay, so guys, you can download it. The next thing I'm gonna show you is this shakers. Wow. So guys, you got whatever that you need for both Amapiano and Afrobeat. Okay. The last thing I'm gonna show you here is this loop. Okay, so you can drag it and use it free. Let's check that. Alright, so guys, this is what is in the sample pack. CH Amapiano Sample Pack. So bring up to the person who made all these things. You can download it free too from the link in the description box. The name is Gosa, still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.